Here is my new WeatherGuard side toolbox, and I have it on my F-150. Now, what I had was a problem with my lock cylinder. This pin here on the lock wasn't engaging, so there's something wrong in the lock cylinder itself, and they're fairly easy to get out. There's just a couple of clips, but my problem was that the lock failed when my toolbox was closed. So I didn't really see anything on YouTube that's an easy thing, so I just started thinking about it. So what I come up with was, here's the lock with the problem. And there's the WeatherGuard lock. Now I took my pry bar and my hammer and I knocked this WeatherGuard emblem off. Now I'll have to get some 3M tape or some sort of epoxy to put this back on. So what I did was, I took a 1/4-inch bit and I drilled right here. And I drilled all the way through. So then I got this T-handled Allen wrench. I guess anything could be used. And I kind of went in there to get to that one bar.